She was perfectly content, dreaming away on her favorite cushion. Then he decided to share his prized catch, a very big mouse. She took one look, and
Oh my gosh! Look at her face. That was perfect.
Poor kitty.
She is so mad at him.
Good boy, buddy.
I think she liked that, buddy. He looks so proud of himself.
Did you see that? He did a whole flip.
Gosh.
Poor thing, she thought it was real. She's not coming back anytime soon.